Good morning, you beautiful people.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful day again. We're in the very north of Buenos Aires, and today last weekend I was staying at my friend's house, Fede. I was staying in the garage here. Oh, this is his Mustang, Orma, and I had Orma inside, parked just right beside my mattress, and where I was sleeping in this beautiful place. Hell yeah! Was an awesome stay, very welcoming. We had asado, we had laughs, we had music and shared stories, a lot of beer, as I like it. Bit of a rock and roll beer weekend with the family of Fede. And and I'm just picking up, get my things ready and going up to Uruguay. Here's Fede, hey, come on, say hello.
Hola.
Whoop, hola. Picking up my things and going out to Uruguay. This is a rough road. If you like my content, if you want to support my page, please do so and give me a like, subscribe to my channel and share it and leave a comment down below. Click here right now and enjoy the show. Last preparations before we go. Look at this awesome Indian. Yeah. Gentlemen, start your engines. There you go. Pegs. Looking good. Yeah, Uruguay. Here I come. Saying bye-bye to the place. Ciao, was nice. Thank you, muchas gracias. Here we go. Ciao, ciao, gracias amigo.
Gonna get myself hurt, no matter what. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna get myself hurt, no matter what. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna get myself hurt, no matter what. But they're my source of limitation. Your expectations, they're my source of.
We are here, the police checkpoint, or what's up? What's going on? What is going on? Please let me through. Okay. Motorcycles are allowed to park. This is how you do it.
system as a whole transforms. And the system as a whole transforms. And the system as a whole transforms. And the system as a whole transforms.
So here we are at the border to Uruguay, and I'm not sure, because I just passed in the Argentinian side, and I'm not sure if I have to check out from Argentina to get in here or not. I will find out in a few minutes. Perhaps I gotta go back over the bridge on the other side of Rio Uruguay, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, here we go. That took a little bit because the computer was down, but yeah, I got a formula to get into 1 year for the motorcycle to be able to stay in Uruguay. And then I checked it out. I didn't get a stamp in my passport. So yeah, I went back and got a stamp in my passport because I missed to get an exit stamp. So I never left Argentina as it looks. Well, strange. I hope this won't be a problem in the future, but I will see. And now it is welcome to Uruguay. Here we are. Welcome to Uruguay. Yeah, it took half an hour. And here we are. Checking out if I can get a wild camp anywhere. I think I'm gonna go the road down there, maybe find something by the river. This on the other side, this is Argentina, and it's a 4 hours ride away to get to a bridge. Yeah, I want to find a spot where I'm alone. On the street. Cuidado, amigo. Sleep. Ah, yeah, this looks promising. Nice, nice. Here we are. Here's the connection of the two rivers. So is the Rio de la Plata is there, and the Rio Uruguay is coming here. And you see it in the back. It's brown. Yeah, you probably can see it in the picture here. Yeah, and I did a little bit of sand riding, off-roading here with Roma. You see it here, took a nice turn, and this my spot where I'm gonna set up and pitch up the tent. And yeah, made it to Uruguay, found a nice place to wild camp. It's yeah, call it a day. Not a lot of pictures today. It was quite, well, yeah, it was not so awesome to ride. It was just, the weather was nice, but it was only straights. And the most exciting thing was if I make it over the border, so it's not a lot of going on today. Well, gonna take it slow, make myself some dinner, and yeah, very silent, enjoyed by the river. Yeah, maybe I go and try catch some fish. Let's see. well, if I do, you will see it soon. And if not, well, you know what's going on. Pretty well. That's it. And yeah, that's it. See you later.